I have a draft of General Mkhwanazi's statement, and for the past few weeks, he has been busy. The last time when I contacted his staff officer, he said to me, he's not available. He's going to Parliament, to the ad hoc committee. And up to now, he has not reverted to me.
Officer Makubo?
I consulted with Officer Makubo and finalized his statement. And Officer Makubo referred me to an advocate with whom he was working. I can mention in passing that Officer Makubo was identified to us by Miss Mary Dihas. I took it from there. Now, when I consulted with the advocate who Makubo referred me to, it came out that we are not going to proceed with this matter. I also prepared the statement of the advocate, who was in the office of Advocate Chauke. And we were warned that to stay away from this, because if you proceed with the second docket in the Senzo Meyiwa case, your name is death. So leave this thing. Don't proceed.
I don't understand.
Officer Makubo was assigned to investigate the Senzo Meyiwa murder. According to him, he and another officer, Officer Joyce, was a captain then, were summoned by the then Minister of Police to Cape Town, and were assigned. There were four. They were assigned to deal with the Senzo Meyiwa case, because apparently the minister was not happy that the investigations were bearing any fruit.
But how do we get to the Senzo Meyiwa matter? We are talking about this witness testifying here.
But
are you ready with his statement?
Officer Makubo's statement? Warrant Officer Makubo's statement?
Yes.
No, I'm not going to call him.
Thank you. Colonel Rolofsa?
I'm told by my colleague that his statement by the end of this week will be ready, but they're not going to call him to testify viva voce.
It is not for them to decide. We will determine whether it will be appropriate for the witness to appear before us as a panel or not. You have to make an indication, maybe make a request to us. Counsel, is that you, Advocate Mayet?
Indeed, and I, just to inform the panel, Colonel Rulo, sir, we have consulted with him. His statement is ready. He, however, doesn't speak to 3.1. It is just background history about the investigation. But we will make the appropriate application to the panel.
Application to request that he should not give oral testimony?
Indeed.
Not even virtually?
In the event that the panel requires, it goes to 3.1.2. So it does depend on the extension of the amendment.
But we don't know. It may well be that we have other questions outside of 3.1.2 of the terms of reference.
Indeed, Judge. The statement will be ready, both of them, as well as number 9, Advocate Van Zyl. Both statements will be ready by the end of this week.
Would you please explain the delay? Why only at the end of this week?
Judge, this is my third week on this panel. So It has taken. I have consulted with both witnesses. The statements are 90% prepared. They simply just have to be